Hello students! Good day! I am Teacher Alvin and welcome to our online class. Today, I will be teaching science. Before we proceed in our main topic for today, we're going to start first with our vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is answer. 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 Now, let's spell the word answer. It's A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Great job. Our second vocabulary word is solution. 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 Now, let's spell the word solution. It's S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Solution. Great job. Our third vocabulary word is result. 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 Now, let's spell the word result. It's R-E-S-U-L-T. Result. Very good. Now, let's proceed with our discussion. Today, we're going to review and recall the past lessons for your PA Test 3. What is in the soil? Part 1. The soil is made up of 4 things. Namely, we have 25% air, 25% water, 45% minerals, and 5% organic matters. And that 4 things made up soil. The soil is composed of 25% air. The soil air contains a number of gases, of which nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor are the most important. The soil air constantly moves from the soil pores into the atmosphere and from the atmosphere into the pore space. The 25% air from the soil is very essential to the animals because the animals living in the soil use the air to live. And here are some of the animals living in the soil. We have moles, elephant shrew, honey badger, aardvark, mice, and even scorpions. These are some examples of animals living in the soil. But not only animals are living in the soil. We also have bugs and insects. And here are some examples of bugs and insects living in the soil. we have termites, earthworms, ants, ground beetle, millipedes, crickets, centipedes, and many more. And they use the 25% of air in the soil to live, because they use the soil as their protection and as a shelter. The soil is made up of 25% water. The water in the soil comes from rain. It also comes from the underground water. The water in the soil is very important to all living things, just like plants, animals, and people. Because without the water in the soil, plants cannot live. Animals will going to die. The same with humans. Some animals depend on soil because it contains 25% water, and they can absorb water from their skin. For instance, the salamander spends most of its time in the moist soil because they breathe and drink through their fragile skin. The water in the soil is very essential to plants in the process of making their own food, called photosynthesis. Water serves as the solvent and carrier of food nutrients for the growth of plants. Water itself acts as a nutrient also. Water in soil is also important in seed germination, because without the water, we can have a new seedlings for new plants. Without plants, there is no food for animals and humans. Without plants and animals, there is no food for humans. Thank you for listening. Hope you learned something new today. And again, this is Teacher Alvin, and see you again next meeting. Bye-bye.